Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. I bought this super fun bubblegum pink chair for myself when I first started working at this job over 16 years ago. And over the years, the wheels have started to give me some trouble. I flipped it over to have a look at what was going on and realized that the wheels are completely tangled with hair and string and all kinds of gross things. It crossed my mind to just buy a new chair, but I really love this one, and I hate throwing out perfectly good things. So I thought I'd give it a little makeover. I went on Amazon to see if I could just replace the wheels, and sure enough, they had all kinds of cool choices. I'll add a link to these ones and a few other ones below in the description for you to check out. I really had no idea how hard it would be to change them out, but they were actually really easy to replace. Just give them a good tug and pop the new one in. I kind of had that feeling like when you think you need to buy a new car and then you just go and get your old car cleaned and detailed. It kind of feels like you got a new car. Same feeling here. I feel like I got a brand new chair. Just look at those shiny new wheels. They remind me of rollerblade wheels and they roll very smoothly. I appreciate you watching my video today, and don't worry, I actually filmed it after hours. Check out those links below and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by clicking that subscribe button. That just motivates me to make more videos for you to watch, and as one of my subscribers, you'll be the first to know when I upload my next video. You may want to check out my other channel as well. It's called Tinagirl Travels. It's where I answer your biggest travel questions. Thanks again for watching. I will see you next time on Tinagirl Life.